name is Melissa Fresco and I'm the founder of Orana Home. Today I'm going to be showing you how to assemble your plant wall kit. In your kit you'll find a flexible trellis, a metal mounting bracket, a premium leather plant hanger, and all the mounting hardware required to assemble your kit. Before we get started, there's a few things that you'll need. First is a screwdriver or a drill, a tape measure, and a level. You can also use your smartphone. We also recommend having your potted plant ready to go before getting started. Now that you've got all of your supplies ready, it's time to build your plant wall. When selecting a place to hang your wall, make sure it does receive some natural light, as your plant will need this to survive and grow. First, let's hang the trellis. Using the 2 white hooks included in your kit, mark a spot on the wall where your trellis will hang. We recommend spacing these about 3 feet apart and making sure that they're the same distance from the ground so that your plant wall is level. Use your screwdriver to attach the hooks to the wall using the 4 included white screws. Now you can attach your trellis to the wall. Because the trellis is flexible, you can adjust its size to best fit your space. Now it's time to attach the metal bracket to the wall. This will hold your plant. Your plant wall will naturally grow towards the sun, so placing the plant opposite of the light source will allow it to grow lush and dense across your trellis. In your kit, you'll find 2 options for anchors. The first is a self-screwing drywall anchor, and the second is a standard anchor. We've provided both options in your kit to best suit the tools that you have at home. The self-drilling drywall anchors can be installed using only a screwdriver, while the standard anchors will require a drill and a pre-drilled hole. Once the anchors are installed, use the 4 black screws included in your kit to attach the bracket to the wall. Now you can finally hang your plant. We recommend using any planter between 6 and 9 inches. Today I'm using our 7-inch Orana contour planter, where I've planted this beautiful marble queen pothos. Tighten the metal end cap to secure your plant wall. And now for the fun part. It's time to style your plant wall. Once your plant is woven through the trellis, it will continue to grow on its own towards the sunlight. Thank you for purchasing the Orana Home Plant Wall Kit. For more information on plant selection, how to water your plant, and additional FAQs, head over to our website, oranahome.com.